Welcome you to Nagesh Karasge Orchid School channel. Myself Sneha Devdare, your grade 1 maths teacher. So students, we will continue with our math subject. Take out your saffron textbook everyone. Okay, so students, we will continue with our chapter number 7, that is patterns. Okay, chapter number 7, patterns. Patterns introduction we have learnt, we have seen. Okay, patterns means what? The way in which something happens, develops or is done. Okay, the figure or shape, number which is repeated, that is called pattern. Okay, here they have given, see, a definite sequence, the sequence in which shape, figures, numbers or letters is repeated is called pattern. Okay, till geometrical patterns we have done. Now we will go further. See, my practice time 1. Here my experiment with maths is there. I will read out and show you what it is. Objects required is erasers, pencil and rulers. This is easily available, all the things with you. Eraser, pencil and ruler. Ruler means scale. Okay, so you can have this activity at your home with your friends or siblings. Method, note. See, divide the students into groups. Take any 3 objects and place them in a particular order next to each other. Now, ask a student to come forward and pick up one more of the first item placed by you and keep it next to the third item. Then ask another student to pick up one more of the second item and place it to the fourth item. See, what you have to do, you have to make a group and you can take any 3 objects. What? You can take any 3 objects and place them in a particular order next to each other. Means, see, if you took eraser, pencil and ruler, so you have to arrange like first eraser, pencil and then ruler. Like this you have to arrange. Okay, then what do you have to do? Ask any one students, here it is students, you can have friend or your brother, sister, to come forward and pick up one more of the first item. So, first item, first thing you have to pick up and place it to the last object. Okay, place it to the last thing. Okay, then ask another student to pick up and one more of the second item and place it next to the fourth. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to call out the second person or second child and take out the second thing and then place it forward. Similarly, students can take turn to extend the pattern further. Like this you can one by one take out the turn and this one replace, or else you can take out the thing and just make it further continue. After all items have been laid down, ask the students to rearrange the items to make a different pattern. You can also encourage them to make more such patterns using different objects. Okay, so this you can do at home with help of your parents. Next is my practice time 1. Take pencil in your hand. Pencil ले लो हाथ में. We will start with practice time 1. Okay, ring the object that continues to form a pattern. See, here they have formed the pattern. From here, okay, till here they have continued the pattern. Further what comes, that you have to circle. To follow the pattern, further what comes, that you have to circle the picture. Okay, now your duck thing is there. Okay, then again duck, then again thing is there, duck, thing, then after thing what comes? Well, how is the pattern followed? Duck, then thing, duck, thing, then duck. so circle to the duck. Okay. Next, butterfly, 2 snails. Butterfly, 2 snails. After 2 snails, what will come? See, after 2 snails, what is there? Butterfly. So here after 2 snails, what will come? What will come? Butterfly. So circle the butterfly. First duck, second butterfly. Done. Next, see, there are cupcakes. Yes, na students? So there is like teddy bear face, and your cupcake is there. Again teddy bear face, your cupcake is there. Then again what comes? Cupcake after. See it properly. 2 face, cupcake, 2 face, cupcake, then face. Okay. So circle to the face. Done. Next, now you will do this first. Apple, 2 flowers, apple, 2 flowers. What comes next? After 2 flowers, what is followed? Come on, circle it. Apple or flower? Circle it fast. Done. Let me check. See, apple, 2 flower, apple, 2 flower. After 2 flower, what is there? Apple. So circle apple. Okay. Done. You also done circle to apple only, na? Very good, students. Those who have done the mistake, those who have circled to flower, correct it. Do it fast. Finish. Okay. Now next, turn the page. See, question 2. Draw and color the next 2 shapes to extend the patterns. Now geometrical shapes. Okay, you have to repeat, continue with shapes. Fine. See, what are the shapes followed? What are the shapes followed? Which is the first shape? Yes, rectangle. And then oval. Then again rectangle, oval, rectangle. Then what comes next? Yes, what comes next? See, draw and color means you have to draw also and color also. Okay. Now you can draw. If you have color box, you can color it. Afterwards also you can do. Okay. Next the next 2 shapes to extend the patterns. You have to follow the pattern, and what comes next, that you have to draw there. Okay. Rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval, rectangle, oval. Okay. Then after oval, rectangle. Fine. Come on. Next, first tell me, then afterwards you can write. See, square. Square only, na? Yes. Usually we see square like this, but they have shown like this. Okay. Come on. 2 square, triangle, 2 square, 2 square, triangle, 2 square, what comes? Triangle. And again 2 square, but here only 1, this is there, line is there, so you can just draw 1 square. Fine. Come on, write. 2 square, triangle, 2 square, triangle, but there is only one line, so you can draw only one square. Finish. Come on, be fast. Finish. Next, triangle, two rectangles, triangle, one rectangle. Then here what comes? Yes, what comes? See, triangle, two rectangles. Here triangle, one rectangle is there. So what we will add here? One rectangle, and then after two rectangle, triangle. Okay, right. Come on, be fast. Finish. Triangle, rectangle, triangle, one rectangle is there, one was missing, so we have done that, and one triangle. Okay. Next, you have to solve. Observe the shapes. What are the shapes? See. Shapes क्या है देखो. Two small square, one big square, two small square, one big square. Okay. So one big square. You can draw on the line. Okay. And then again one small square. Come on, write. Finish. Two small square, one big square, two small square, one big square, and there only one small square. It comes two, but there is only one line, so one square. Finish. Wait a minute. Match the two shapes in second column to extend the pattern in the first column. Okay. See, you have to extend the pattern and match to the correct shape which comes next. Okay. See, first one we have done already, but you have to match here. See, two square, triangle, two square, then what comes? Triangle and square. Yes na? See here, triangle and square. Okay, just a minute. Done? Okay. See, first, two, second. Now next, two square, one big square, again two square, then what comes next? Yes, one big square and one small square. Okay, so second to fourth. Next, triangle, two rectangles, triangle, here one rectangle is there, so one more we want na to follow the pattern. Yes, one more rectangle and here triangle. Okay, so third to third only. Fine. Now this last, rectangle, oval, rectangle, yes, oval, very good. So first, last to first. Shall I submit, dear students? See, check it, we have done correct or not. Shall I? Answer lock किया जाए? Okay, let me check. Submit. Yes, all they are green. So we have done correct. Okay, very well done, students. Nice. See, correct. All things are correct. Very good. Okay, understood? See, now increasing and decreasing patterns. Students, this increasing and decreasing means you know na? Yes, ascending order, descending order, smaller to bigger number, bigger to smaller number, देखा है ना हमने? इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर और डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर सीखा है ना? इंक्रीजिंग यानी क्या? इंक्रीजिंग मीन्स बढ़ाते जाना. ओके, वी हैव टू increase, we have to make it more increasing. And decreasing means what? We have to make less, कम करते जाना है. ओके, तो पैटर्न्स के बारे में भी ऐसे इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग पैटर्न्स होते हैं. देखो, ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग पैटर्न्स. नाउ हियर इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर, हाउ मेनी बॉल्स यू कैन सी? 2 balls. Okay, so I will draw here 2 balls. Now in the next, how many are there? 3. So ये पहले के 2 और फिर 1 more 3. इंक्रीज ना, बढ़ गया ना ये 2 3. फिर नेक्स्ट इसमें 4. अगेन इट इज इंक्रीज्ड. ओके, सी इट इज गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग, वो बढ़ते ही जा रहा है. पहले 2, फिर 2 + 1 3, फिर 3 + 1 अगेन 4. ओके, देन अगेन हियर 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. ओके, देन अगेन 6. सो यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है? एक 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 बढ़ाया है. क्या किया है? बढ़ाया है. एट एवरी स्टेप वी हैव increased or make more by 1. Okay, see in every step we have increased 1 more. एक एक बढ़ाया है. Okay, so this is called increasing pattern. What it is called? Increasing pattern. अगर बढ़ते जा रहा है तो वो increasing pattern. Okay, see here the number of beads is increasing by 1. In every step we have increased 1 bead. This is called and increasing pattern. क्या है ये? Increasing pattern. Okay, now observe the pattern below. Now here you can see leaf. Okay, now see here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. How many are there? How many are there? Leaves. कितने पत्ते हैं इसको? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Already 6 are there. Okay. So in the next, in the next 1 2 3 4 and 5. What happened? Here 6 and here 5. Means एक कम हो गया या ज़्यादा हो गया? Of course कम हो गया. Okay, next 1 2 3 4 और 2 कम हो गए. 6 5 4 1 2 3. Okay, how many less? 3. Okay, and then 1 2 4 less. And here only 1, 5 less. देखो, so if you see the picture from here till here, how it is? It has become more or less? Less. कम होते गया है ना? 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. It has become less. So this is called decreasing order. What it is called? Decreasing order. Understood? See, now observe the pattern below. 6 leaves, 5 4 3 2 and 1. Fine. Here the number of leaves is decreased by 1. यहाँ पे पत्ते जो है वो एक 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 कम होते गए हैं. This is called decreasing pattern. What it is called? Decreasing pattern. Okay, understood? Increasing and decreasing pattern. समझ में आया क्या? Okay, so beads and leaves. Increasing यानी बढ़ाते जाना, decreasing यानी कम करना. Okay? Increasing and decreasing. Easy na students? Okay. Now we will have this. See, there is one video. I will show you. Watch it carefully, okay students?
Increasing and decreasing patterns. Let us see the increasing patterns first. See how the groups of beans are arranged here. Here, the number of beans is increasing by 1. This is called as increasing pattern. Let us see the decreasing patterns. See how the groups of leaves are arranged here. Here, the number of leaves is decreasing by 1. This is called as decreasing pattern. Do you know about the patterns in nature? We can observe so many patterns around us. Patterns make the world around us beautiful.
Understood? One more time.
Increasing and decreasing patterns. Let us see the increasing patterns first. See how the groups of beans are arranged here. Here, the number of beans is increasing by 1. This is called as increasing pattern. Let us see the decreasing patterns. See how the groups of leaves are arranged here. Here, the number of leaves is decreasing by 1. This is called as decreasing pattern. Do you know about the patterns in nature? We can observe so many patterns around us. Patterns make the world around us beautiful.
Okay, understood? See, here I will show you what is increasing and decreasing. So students, see, here you can see some beads. Okay, some beads are there. So I will show you now increasing order. What? Increasing यानी बढ़ाते जाना. Okay, so here was 1, then again 1 I will place and 1 more I will increase. So this is 2. Okay, then here 2, then here 1 more I will increase. It becomes how much? 3. How much? 3. Now again after 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it is increasing pattern. What it is? Increasing pattern. 1 beat, 2 increased, 3 increased, 4 increase. ये बढ़ाते गए हम, है ना? This is increasing order. Now see, first how many were there? 4. Okay, total 4 beats. Okay, now it will go on decreasing, कम होते जाना. Okay, we will make it less. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many? 3. Here 4 and here 3. So it is decrease. Then 2. Again it is decreased. And here only 1. Okay, understood? This is decreasing pattern. Okay, understood students? So this was about the increasing and decreasing patterns, and also we have solved the practice time. Further things we will see in the next period. Bye bye. Thank you.